We filed the petition basically challenging that all memorials coming up on Miramar Beach. Now, the ground that we have taken is that the state has not come up with any public policy in the matter of construction or erection of memorials on the beach. Now, there will be in the future several leaders, politicians, and what we will have is basically political parties who hold majority will say that we want a memorial for our political leader, and then we'll have not only one, two, but we'll have several memorials on the Miramar Beach. And the Miramar Beach is a public resource. Now, we have filed the PIL petition based on the public trust doctrine that Miramar Beach is a public resource. It belongs to the future generations of the people of India, of the citizens of this country, as well as the people from Goa. And this beach you cannot have memorials, obstacles, causing impediments for people who are, enjoying the beach. Now, we have also relied upon a one-man commission report prepared by Dr. Nankumar Kamath. His findings to say that, in fact, is very clearly in his findings, he has stated that no impediments, obstacles should be erected on the Miramar Beach so as to hinder or obstruct people from enjoying the beach.
ही केस दोन वांगडी जुईजांच्या खंडपीठान सुनावणे घेवची म्हूण याचिकादाराच्या आदोगादान मागणी केल्ली. मात सिनियर जुईज महेश सोनकाच्या फुडारपणाखाला आशिल्ल्या खंडपीठान ती सुनावणे घेवपाक न्हयकार दिलो. न्यायाधीश सोनक हांणी निरीक्षण नोंद केला ते अशें: कोरोनाच्या फाटभुंयेर बॉम्बे हायकोर्टाच्या सर्क्युलरा प्रमाण फक्त अर्जंट केशीच सुनावणीक घेतले. ही जनहित याचिका अर्जंट कॅटेगरीत येना. परिस्थिती सामान्य जाल्या उपरांत कोर्ट हे याचिकेचेर सुनावणी घेतले.
The matter came up before the court, but on account of the notification issued by the Bombay High Court that extremely serious and urgent matters will be taken up, the matter was listed in its normal course, which will probably be at the end of the notification whenever it expires. That the matter will come up, this will be listed again.
ट्रायल कोर्टांनी फक्त अर्जंट केशीत सुनावणे घेवच्यो म्हूण अधिसुचोवणी काडची म्हूण गोवा बेंचान बॉम्बे हायकोर्टा कडेन मागला म्हूण हायकोर्टान वकील आनी संबंधितांक कळीत केला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.